Hi everyone. I will start a new fresh general file in a Blender. Delete the camera and the light, keeping the cube, scale it one time and maybe one more time, but this time in Z axis, along the axis. Press Ctrl A, apply all the transforms. Don't forget the shortcuts, so it's easy for you to follow along with me. Go to edit mode. I will add a loop here. Ctrl R, one loop here. Press 2 to go to edge selection. Select this edge. Press shift and this edge. Move them along y axis. Select the loop by pressing alt and select this loop. Bevel it and add more segments. Select this edge, press Ctrl and this edge, move them along y axis, press alt and select the loop, bevel it to. I will select edge, press shift 2, shift 3, shift 4. I will bevel them. I will add more segments. I will press 1 to go to vertices selection, press A to select them all and merge them by distance. I will add one loop here, move it and scale it along y axis by 0. Go to top view, enable X-ray, press 3 to go to face selection, select those faces. Press Ctrl plus and P to separate it. So I will go to top view, enable X-ray, go to edit mode, press 3 and select the faces here. Delete them and then press 2 and select this loop. Press F to create a face and set it one more time like this. Press 1, join this vertices. Select the vertices that you want and press J. Okay, select this vertex and press shift S, cursor to select it. Create a cylinder, scale it. I will scale it in Z axis and rotate it in X axis by 90. Right click, shade auto smooth, enable the snap and do the same as me. Duplicate the cylinder, move it to this vertex, duplicate it one more time and here, and duplicate it one more time here. I think we have something here wrong. So this one I will move it again to this, to here, and the cylinder here, shift cylinder 2 3 4 and press Ctrl J to make them one object. Select this part, go to modifier, hide the cylinders and select this. So apply. I will before doing anything disable the snap and create one loop here by pressing Ctrl R. Okay, I will move it along y-axis like this and bevel it by pressing Ctrl B. Okay, press here. I will change the segments to be maybe 8 or 6. Okay, and I will change the width here a little bit, or maybe you can put the cursor over the width here and press shift and move it a little like this. Press tab again, right click, shade auto smooth. Okay guys, so right now I will work on this part. First of all, press Ctrl A and apply all the transforms. Then go to edit mode. I will create one loop here, move it, shift in the same time like this, press shift. Okay, press 2 and select the loop here, press shift alt, this one, this, keep alt and shift, press alt and shift, press alt and shift, press alt and shift. I will bevel it, Ctrl B. Right now, press 3 to go to face selection. I will select 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, press Ctrl plus and one more Ctrl plus. And before doing anything, go to object mode, go to edit, preference, and go to add-ons and right and press N and go to edit, loop tool. Okay, select circle. Okay, I will scale the circle along x-axis like this, Okay, I love it. Then press E, extruded along y-axis. Then scale it along X and Z. So press S and shift Y. Scale it. Perfect. Add one loop here. Scale it to along X and Z axis. So press S and shift Y. Scale it. Move it along the face, so press G 2 times like this, then bevel it by pressing Ctrl B. So like this. Perfect. I will try something. I will add subdivision surface like this and right click, shade smooth and make this 2. Perfect, nice, I like it. Maybe I will add one loop here by pressing Ctrl R. Sorry, not one here, and do one loop here. Okay, move it like this. Move it with the press and shift. Okay, look to the edge here. Nice, I like it. Then select the faces here, them. Or maybe I will delete them, delete the faces here, and press to select the loop, scale it in X and Z. So press S, shift Y, and press F. I will create one loop here, move it along Y axis like this, and bevel it by pressing Ctrl B. Okay, I like this. Add subdivision surface, make it 2, perfect. Like this vertex, this, join them, and here, join them too. Select this vertex, press Shift S, cursor to selected. I will create a cylinder, sorry, not cylinder, sphere. A sphere. Press 1 to go to front view. Scale it along Z axis. Scale it along X axis like so. Right now I will scale it along Y axis like this. And move it along Y axis too like this. Okay, then add subdivision surface, right click, shade smooth, perfect. And this one I will add subdivision surface too, make it 2 or 3, shade smooth. Perfect. Don't forget to save. So hi guys, again, the last thing I want to show you guys, I will unhide the cylinders. If you remember the cylinders, it's up to you. If you want to make them as screw, it's up to you. For me, I will move them inside along Y axis like this, because the camera will not show them, so it's not necessarily to make them as a screw. Don't forget to say it. So if you like the video, give me a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.